Hi there YouTube, it's Wild Mutation Blue, and just showing you something which come today, and something which arrived a few days ago. I got on looking at this first steelbook, Django Unchained. It was she's like years ago since I pre-ordered this. It's finally arrived today. Take this cellophane off.
Who's that stumbling around in the dark?
Hey.
State your business or prepare to get winged.
Who includes UV ultraviolet? Yeah, there So it's got a bit of card of paper. Just comes off. Right. Let's see what it's saying on this. Okay. So it's got tons of special features. It's winner of 2 Academy Awards in 2012. Let's see what the sound is. Audio. Oh, I was hoping it'll be in 7.1 this, but it's a brilliant film anyway. Very similar to the US and Canadian steelbooks which have come out recently. It's got like a matte finish with a border around it. Okay, it's all embossed. You can feel all the writing apart from this bit. Feel Django Unchained and the chain and the 2 people there. And there's the spine. There's the rear artwork. Looking forward to watching this again. Seen it when it was out in the cinema. So it's got an ultraviolet code. And border artwork on the disc as well. I'm not so happy with this. At least it's region A, B and C. Okay. The film's the most important part of this, I suppose. Like if that artwork was on the front, I'd be well chuffed. It's nice that. Okay. Right, okay, and give you a quick look at the birds. This is the 50th year anniversary edition. It's come with a nice enough slip card there. Okay, and there's the Blu-ray itself. Okay, very quick. I haven't really received much this week. I've received a few others, but these are the 2 main ones. Alright, okay. Right, that was very quick for me as per usual, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.